Hello, and welcome to this series of pepper-infused recipes suited for canning that allow us to preserve and enjoy our hot peppers year-round. If you're growing hot peppers, this series offers many great flavors to enjoy and share your peppers with shelf-stable jars. Today's recipe is a classic that calls for 7 Scotch bonnet peppers. I will sub in 2 habaneros to bring the heat up a notch. Today we bring some classic Jamaican flavor with a jerk sauce and marinade. Look at our ingredients: 1 cup of orange juice, 2/3 cup soy sauce, a 1/2 cup white vinegar, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 7 Scotch bonnet peppers. As I said, I'm subbing in a couple habanero, 7 cloves of garlic, 2 medium cooking onion, 10 to 12 green onions, and 10 sprigs of thyme, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 4 teaspoons of pickling salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 4 teaspoons of allspice, and 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 4 teaspoons of fresh grated ginger. Working with hot peppers, it's always advised to wear gloves. And even wearing gloves, when you get the gloves off, give your hands a good wash. So it's a pretty quick and easy recipe. It creates just over a liter or a quart of jerk sauce and marinade. You take your hot peppers, stem them, halve them, and remove the membrane. All of this is processed in the blender, so we don't have to do extra mincing or extra prep. Pretty quick. Just take your cooking onions, halve and quarter them, and then cut them in half again into large 1/8 chunks. Get them in the blender along with the white part of your green onions. Get your hot peppers in the blender. Take your garlic cloves, cut them up into quarters, get them in the blender. And cutting your green onions, start with longer pieces at the green end, getting shorter and shorter as you head towards the white end. And set those aside in a bowl. So now in with our spices: 4 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 4 teaspoons allspice, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons nutmeg. Get that in there. And we got 4 tablespoons brown sugar, we've got the 10 sprigs of thyme. We've removed the stems. And 4 teaspoons fresh grated ginger. Now in with our 1 cup of orange juice. And 2/3 cup soy sauce. and 1/2 cup white vinegar. Now what you want to do is pulse it and thoroughly blend up the ingredients, leaving it a little chunky, but managing to break up the onions, etc. Once that's done, take the green onion, well, the green part of the green onion, and get it in the blender. Now with this, what you want to do is just give it some light pulsing, just to break it up, leaving some decent sized flakes of green onion. So now we go ahead, get that into the pot. And add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We'll be bringing that up to heat to a gentle boil, and then reducing the heat and letting it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. It's good to have your jars clean and then boiled for 20 minutes while that's occurring. So when it's ready to go, so are your jars. I like to give my utensils a quick boil as well, and using a funnel is a really good idea to keep your rims nice and clean. If you do get sauces or anything on those rims, you must clean them off before you seal up the jars. So this recipe will make just over a liter of sauce, or basically just over a quart. How you jar it is up to you. You could use pint jars. I like to use basically half pint jars and have a little left over. You get your lids in for a quick heating, maybe 1 or 2 minutes in the boiling water, and get them on. Seal them up good and tight, and down they go into the water bath for a 20-minute boil. This makes a fairly thin marinade sauce that can be thickened to use as a glaze or a sauce. Various thickeners you can apply, but it's got a very decent strong flavor, definitely for marinade. I'm giving it a little try here. That's definitely the jerk sauce. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like. If you'd like to follow up on some other awesome uses for peppers and canning, subscribe. We've got other series coming up as well. Let's take a look. You can see the viscosity, and give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.